Welcome to the Road Universe channel, your go-to spot for the best-selling car accessories on Amazon. To all our new subscribers, thank you. And if you haven't joined us yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss our latest finds. What if your car could feel smarter instantly? These Amazon car accessories use smart tech to make driving cleaner, easier, and way more satisfying. Trust me, these feel like magic. Number 10. Backup Parktronic System. Car Auto Vehicle Reverse with 8 Parking Sensors Kit. Number 9. Solar Wireless Backup Camera with 5 inches 1080p monitor. Number 8. Automatic Motion Sensor. Bathroom trash can with lid, 3.5 gallon. Number 7. Mini Portable Air Purifier. Cordless True HEPA Filter. Number 6. Car LED Strip Lights. Smart RGBIC. Interior. Car lights with APP control. Number 5. Heads-up display for cars, digital GPS HUD, speedometer, USB cable. Number 4, wireless TPMS with 4 external sensors and 6 alarm modes. Number 3, Bluetooth 5.4 FM transmitter. Car adapter 48 watts. Hands-free calling support. USB drive.
Number 2, 54, GPS tracker, long battery, magnetic, waterproof, global tracking.
No, I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up. No, I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, isn't that? Spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness.
Number 1, Bluetooth tracker, keys finder, and item locator for keys. Hey there! Got a suggestion for my next video? Drop it in the comments. Your ideas drive this channel. See you in the comments.
Stay updated on Amazon's best automotive products and viral finds. Click subscribe and turn on the bell so you never miss out on our latest video.